In this video, I will show you how to get eBay discount codes. So to do that, simply open up your eBay app or simply open up Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for eBay, then click on the URL. After that, click on this 3-line menu bar in the top right corner. From here, sign in to your account or create an account through register. Once your account is created, this will be your home page. Again, click on this 3-line menu bar in the top right corner. From here, click on Help. In the search bar, search for coupons. And here you will find coupons and discounts. Click on it. Now under this article, you can see various things about how to pay with coupons, where to find coupons. And if you simply scroll down below, here you will see where to find coupons, and under here, if you update your communication preferences, then from there you can get emails from eBay itself to inform you about special discounts and offers and promo codes. So for that, once you have already logged into your account, you can click on this receive coupons or discount button or click on this communication preferences. From there, the setting will open about various types of emails that you might be receiving. Under that section, you will find marketing communications. Once you click on it, there you will find edit button. Click on it. There you will find various email promotions type. Make sure you tick on all of them. Especially do not leave out general email promotion, seller email promotion, postal mail catalogs and emails, and phone updates and promotions. So after you tick on all of them, there you will get various types of emails and messages informing about various sales, discounts, promo codes, coupons, events, great deals, etc. And from there you can use those codes and special offers to buy things from eBay. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.